This is my energy research project. Well, you will learn about multiple energy sources. The first one is fossil fuels. The definition of fossil fuels is a fuel formed by once living organisms. Advantage, it releases lots of heat and it fuels lots of vehicles. Disadvantages is that it's a non-renewable resource and it releases lots of carbon dioxide, which is unhealthy for the environment. Our next energy resource is electricity. The definition of it would be electricity generated from moving water. Advantages is that it powers 1/5 of Earth's energy and it uses water for energy. Disadvantages, fish can't swim around dams that create hydroelectricity and it's inexhaustible, which means we can use all of it. The next one is tidal energy. The definition of tidal energy is the electricity generated from rising and falling tides. The advantages is that one, it produces lots of energy, and two, tides rise and fall at least twice a day. Disadvantages, it needs a large space and it depends on difference in water height. Next up is biomass energy. The definition of biomass energy would be the energy created by organic matter that is living or recently living. Advantages, some are free energy sources like garbage, but some disadvantages of it are it doesn't release lots of energy and it's non-renewable. And there's one more advantage. It can be made into liquid fuels too. Next is nuclear energy. The definition of nuclear energy is the energy released when nuclears in an atom break. The advantages, it releases lots of energy and it's non-polluting. Disadvantages, it's expensive and because of nuclear energy, there are nuclear bombs and atomic bombs, which none of us like. Next is the wind energy source. The definition of wind energy is energy that comes from the wind. An advantage is that it's free and that it's non-polluting. Disadvantages, it only produces small amounts of energy and it's expensive to put up all the windmills. Geothermal energy would be in the heat from inside Earth. An advantage, it's renewable and it's non-polluting. But disadvantages, there are only a few places on Earth where you can use geothermal energy and it only releases very small amounts of energy. Our last source will be one of my personal favorites, solar energy. The definition of it would be energy from the sun, of course. And advantages are that you can use it everywhere and it's got no pollution. Disadvantages, you can only use it at daytime and some places have less use of solar energy than others. Alright, thank you for watching my energy resources project by Marcus, where you saw solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, hydroelectricity energy, and fossil fuels. Thanks for watching.